Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. My name is Cheryl, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I do usually every day, my go-to makeup every day since I got this palette from Beaute, the Tropical Vibes palette. I love this palette so much that I've been using it almost every day, and what I do is very simple and quick to do. So if you want to see how I did this look using this palette, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I've been doing usually almost every day with this palette from Beaute, Tropical Vibes, because it has become my absolute favorite. Ever since I've got it, I think I've used this almost every day, and I do something simple. It's a simple look, but it looks so pretty because of the colors. So, but first, let me prime my face real quick, and I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. The problem with this primer is that the consistency of it, you try to pick it up and it falls. You try to put it on your face and it falls. It doesn't like stick to it. You have to smush it, and then to take it out of there you have to smush it on your face before it falls down. It crumbles. It's weird. This is such a dupe for the Touch of Soul primer. This one. It's the same thing. It's literally the same thing, and it has the same cooling sensation on your face. For foundation, I'm going to be using these two from Wet n Wild. This one is in Soft Beige, and this one is in Shell Ivory. And I'll mix them up because currently I have a tan. For concealer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in shade Light Ivory. Can't believe I still have, look how empty it looks. And I can still get stuff out. This is unbelievable. Let me spray my Milani setting spray before I powder. For powder, I'm going to be using these two. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder, I'm going to use it on my T-zone, and then for the rest of my face I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder, and they're both the same shade. I've been liking this combo for a while. It really works a lot. I always forget to use cream bronzer and blush. And I have them there, and I always forget to do that. That's why I always end up using powders. So what I've been doing lately is just using something simple on my lids and a little more colorful at the lower lash line. And what I do is I take this color right here, put it on the crease. That one's called Palm Tree. If you saw me reviewing this palette when I first got it, you would know that one of the shades came broken. This one. And I actually used it after that. And the shade is so pretty. It didn't crumble or anything, so I can still use it. I keep mentioning it because I have like a dry patch here. It's always like that. It's like a different type of texture on my lids right here, and the eyeshadow always clings on to that area. So it's not the eyeshadow, it's my skin. I just need more time to blend it out there. That's basically all I'm gonna do on my lids. So now I'm gonna start working the lower lash line. And I'm gonna take this middle shade right here and put that on the lower lash line. Taking a smaller brush, it's like a medium size. And I'm gonna take this quite low. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here. With an angle brush like this one, I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is called Cave, and put it really close to the lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of it in the outer corner over here, and then I'm going to smudge it just halfway. Now I'm going to take a smudge brush like this one. This one's from Beaute, and I'm not going to add nothing there. I'm just going to smudge this right here. I'm going to put some black eyeliner by NYX. I'm going to pop some mascara, and normally I would just leave it with just mascara, but for the sake of the video I'm going to pop in some lashes too, so I'll be right back. So I'm back. I finished the rest of my face, and I used Maybelline Lash Sensational for mascara, these falsies from Wicked Sisters Cosmetics, which by the way they're very very black. Then for lips I use the CoverGirl in Prosecco Pop, and I topped it off with the Lunar Beauty in Aura lip gloss. So this is basically what I do. Besides the lashes, I don't normally put eyelashes every day. I just put on eyelashes for videos really. I never use them to like go out or do stuff. So minus the lashes, this is basically what I do every day using this palette. It has become my go-to makeup look ever since I got this palette. I usually put more eyeshadows at the bottom lash line and just one eyeshadow on my lids. And I really like it. And it's very, if I wasn't filming, this would literally take me maybe 15 minutes to do, minus the face makeup of course. So it's very simple. I think anybody can do it, and it looks very pretty. If you love green eyeshadows, then you will love this palette, and you will love doing something simple like this for like an everyday makeup thing. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. Give the video a thumbs up if you can, that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. This isn't shit. Here we go. It's so dry. So dry. So that a little bore. And a simple eye look.
Make sure this off. You recording? Oh, yeah, that's a movie. I thought you had a pause.
I'm gonna put white eyeliner again so I could look like this.
Yeah.
And scare you. Because he says I scare him with white eyeliner.
Yeah, you look like Momo, that creepy pasta thing.
Wow. I'm gonna keep that in.
Yeah, scary.
Yeah, he said that.
You made it seem like it was like a flu that was going around.
Get the fuck out of here.
Just, come on, just a little bit. Right there, that's enough.
Out.